I'm curious because it seems, and I've spoken to plenty of lawyers on this podcast that have said to me on the show recorded that lawyers have an empathy problem because they oftentimes, like what you're saying, they remove themselves and they don't take ownership of their client's decision or their outcome or anything like that. Um, but you seem more compartmentalized, that you actually do empathize with the client, and that's why you want to get them a good result. But at the same time, uh, you just try to keep them informed and let them make their own decision. Is there, I don't know, the strategy is not the word, but how do you work on separating your ownership of the client's decision and outcome from your empathy with them while taking on their case?
It's not a bright line separation. I get emotionally invested in it as well, and I view my clients as my friends. And in doing so, I tell them how I care about them, what I want to see for them, and really spend time as to what their goals are. And because they themselves don't know and don't understand, uh, that's what I talk about in the book. They themselves don't understand the pressure that's resting on their shoulders during the course of litigation. And I've seen over and over again, as soon as litigation is over, regardless of the outcome, there's a tremendous relief that is felt, because it is no longer in their subconscious that what's going to happen. And I mean, to go a little bit deeper, what is the emotion that really drives them to make that decision is fear. And the fear of whether they choose to go forward or if they choose not to go forward, the fear of making the wrong choice. So a lot of what I do is explain how whatever choice they make, as long as it's an educated and informed choice, then they're making the right choice. Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody can predict precisely what will happen. We can give our best estimates as to what's likely and what's not likely. Um, and as long as they're comfortable at this moment in time that it's the smart decision for them, then they should never second guess and never make that choice as a result of fear of making the wrong decision, because it is the right decision.